In this video, I will show you how to master the pan and zoom camera controls in Flow to give your animations a professional cinematic look. While many users rely on the basic user interface buttons, I am going to teach you how to bypass those chips and use physical cinematography keywords directly in your positive prompt box for much better results. This method gives you precise control over the speed, intensity, and direction of your camera movements by speaking the language of a real film director. To get the best out of the physics engine, always place these specific camera instructions at the very beginning or the very end of your text prompt. If you want a slow and subtle zoom, try typing cinematic slow push-in zoom while mentioning a narrowing depth of field to create that intimate focus on your subject. For something more intense, you can create a dramatic reversing zoom by using keywords like dolly zoom effect or Hitchcock zoom, which will make the background seem to compress around your character. If you are working with large environments, a wide sweeping pan works wonders. Just describe a slow horizontal sweeping pan shot revealing the entire landscape. For high energy scenes, you should instead use a fast whip pan shot to shift the focus rapidly to one side. You can even combine these moves for complex storytelling by requesting a tracking shot that follows the subject while simultaneously zooming in. Using these professional terms allows the artificial intelligence to understand the exact physical motion you want to achieve.